Kamite ya meharĩrĩria ma mathiko ma Raila Odinga mwena wa Nyanza yugĩte iratanya mũthenya wa Kiumia gũgakorwo na igongona rĩa thayũ na mũtaratara hĩndĩ ya mathiko ma Raila Odinga mwena wa Bondo.
It is time to appeal to virtually everybody else that what we want to see is total peace. Mourning in peace. Let's reduce mourning of drama. Let's reduce mourning of things that are appearing like they are demonstrations. Like you are appearing like you are in a demo. That's not mourning. We want a fairly organized arrangement. From what we saw yesterday, we want to appeal. I really want to appeal to all of us that we want to remain calm. Please remain calm. Please be orderly. Please recognize that this is the funeral that we are having that we cannot equate to any in this region. We need to be given space, total space, that we handle the funeral in a proper manner. So those entities that are trying to take advantage of this funeral, please stay away. If it's a matter of you coming in here with your own things, please stay away. Because we have other things come after our burial. You do those things of yours.
Muingi oretio gutea wedi wa family wa gutafania igongona ihoreru ria kuhe mwendo wao giteo kia muthia.
The leadership, whether they are political or not, what we want is that we want to bury Raila with the honors that he deserves. He doesn't deserve chaos. He doesn't deserve some of the things that we were seeing yesterday. We need to be as orderly as possible.
Ayuthi ni moretio kweyeherania na njama o ciothe iria cigakorwo kuu cia kurehe wagagu mathiko-ini maya kuonania nginya riu kuri na andu matete miao yao hindi ya mihango ya kuonania mwiri wa Raila.
I want to call upon our people and particularly the young people not to allow themselves to be used by anyone to shame our community. We are here to mourn our leader and we are calling upon everybody to ensure that we mourn him peacefully. If there are people who want to be recognized as being very popular in this area, let them wait for another opportunity. This is not the right time to show people that you are popular or you are not popular. We are mourning our leader and we want to be allowed, our people to be allowed to mourn him peacefully.
Kamite ino iria iri mwena wa Nyanza yugete ugiteri ni ugacirithitio na njira nene kuria Raila akahurukio. Oho atongoria makorio gwithema ũteti niguo kuhe Raila gitio kia muthia na njira igwete.
This is not a time for politics. I think this is the most important message. This is not a time for politics. It is time for mourning our leader. And we want to urge local politicians that you must not seek to shine during this funeral. There will be many opportunities for you to shine. So we want leaders to come here with humility and only come here to mourn Raila and give him a befitting send-off. Otherwise, we want to urge our people to get ready. And even as we do that, we really want to take this chance to appreciate the support that we have received from the President of the Republic of Kenya, who, in his wisdom, bestowed the honor of giving our leader a state burial, a state funeral. Remember that.
Ngirifuatira Inooro TV, retwa riakwa ni Juliet Wadia wa Muthoni.